Hi and welcome to a new video tutorial by Crocfix. I will show you today how to replace your back glass for your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra smartphone. If you need parts or tools, you will find the links in the video description. Just click more under the video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so this is it. This is our Galaxy 20 Note Ultra, and we want to replace the back glass. It's cracked as you see here, so let's replace it. I'm using the heat gun here with around 200 degrees, maybe for 2 or 3 minutes. Don't heat up too much at the camera, where the cameras are, otherwise you could damage the cameras. When you have heated up the back cover, then use a pry tool. I'm using here a pry tool which is really thin and made from metal. So you need to cut the adhesive tape under the back cover here, then you can remove it easily. You just go with the pry tool under this to make a gap. When you have a small gap, then maybe use a plastic card or something, otherwise you could damage some internal parts. Please watch the video carefully till the end, so you will see where are the critical areas where you could damage something inside the phone. Okay, so this is our old back cover here, just putting it here by side. Now we will need to clean up the old glue here, so I'm removing here the old adhesive, the old glue everywhere. We need to do that so the new back cover will stick correctly to the frame. So please clean all the glue everywhere and go around. There we go, we are almost done. When we have cleaned the glue, then we need to use some alcohol and go and clean the rest of it around. Because if you don't really clean all the spots and remove all the adhesive, it could be that the back cover won't sit perfectly, and then you could have a gap and air and dust could come inside. After I cleaned everything with the alcohol, I'm using here the heat gun a little bit and just to dry everywhere. But just softly and don't use too much heat, maybe just 100 degrees, and that's okay. That's also my little soft brush. I'm removing here all the dust. And then I have this small air pump and removing the rest of the dust. Another one bites the dust. Double check everywhere if you forgot something and clean it. That's our new genuine and original back cover from Samsung, and it also has the genuine strong adhesive tape everywhere. Just keep in mind that this won't be 100% waterproof. It's really a lot better than if you just put some glue underneath. But if you really would want to have 100% waterproof, then you will need to replace also the screws and some other stuff. So this is splash proof for sure after, but not really waterproof. Put it in the correct position and then gently press it towards the frame. Be sure that you 100% align it. Sorry for the hair. Okay, once aligned, then gently press it everywhere in the corners and go around so the adhesive tape underneath will do its job. First you press gently everywhere around, and then later you press hard. So it needs to be pressed really inside every corner and into the frame. You can also use a cloth here and then rub everywhere and press it down to the frame. There we go. We are almost done. Just maybe you go 2 times or 3 times around for better holding, for better adhesive holding and sticking to the frame. Good job, says Crocfix. Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.